My name is Carsten Dongermuth. I'm the head of the region APAC, so the general manager for the Asia-Pacific region.
Myself is Richard Jung from Korea. My company is the distributor of INNIO Jenbacher. For the Asia-Pacific regions, it's first hydrogen engine.
This is indeed a lighthouse project for entire Asia. And it's really a great development to see when we kicked off the project a couple of months ago and sending very soon the engine to Korea. It's very important to make a proof on the supply chain of how to use hydrogen, how to handle it, how to transport it, how to liquefy it, and also how to generate power with it.
For the Asia-Pacific regions, this project is quite be some milestone.
If you have a close look to the industrial landscape in Korea, it's dominated by a lot of heavy industry. And our engine will be part of a decarbonization strategy in Korea.
Actually, the engine will be go the Ulsan city. Ulsan city is kind of the landmark in Korea in terms of the hydrogen.